Hi guys, this is Urdu and welcome to my training channel. You can see it's a different room, different table. I just wanted to let you know that I'm in Oman at the moment, and I'm delivering coaching to the players of Oman, and I'm busy for a few weeks. That's why my videos are not coming as frequently as they were before because I'm out of country. So today I'm bringing you a special practice, precise practice. It is a very advanced practice, but I would like you to do, whoever can. Maybe some can, some cannot, but the guys who can do it can really improve their positioning skill. Potting, of course, before after potting, position is the main thing. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. The link is there. And if you have any questions, you can send me through WhatsApp, through Facebook. The links are there. And if you want to invite me to your club, to your country, just let me know. And I'm available. I travel, but according to my schedule. And if you need a snooker table, if you need to open a snooker club, I do give consultancies as well. And also you can join my online snooker academy as well. And the link is there, the number is there. And you can send me a message and I'll send you the details. So let me start today's practice, and it's very joyful but very difficult because you can see so many reds there, but there's a good news and a bad news. The good news is that we're not going to pot all the reds because they are obviously very, it's going to take time, but it is a practice, but we lose some time later. What we're going to do is we're going to do a frame shot. We're going to pot yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, black without touching our white ball to any of these threads. Yes, now you know what I was talking about. Why is it? It requires precision. So the first thing I can give you is that you can place your white anywhere you like. If you feel you want to place your white here and pot this yellow, or if you want to place your white there and pot yellow and making position on the green, it is purely your choice. So let me start with the standard pot on the yellow, and I'll see that if I can make it or not. And if you are good enough, then what you can do, you can finish it once and then get back to yellow again and do it again. But that will be very, very advanced player's job. But definitely you have to start from somewhere to get onto some standard. So this is my decent shot. 3/4 ball on the green. Stay down. There's the top one. Position. I think I can follow through for blue, pink. Slightly edgy. It's a good position on pink. Decent shot. Black ball. I tried to make position on yellow, so I cannoned it, but I managed to pot my black ball. So I have to redo it, reset it. This was the example that every player has to practice again and again to get things right. Okay? Again. Okay. So I was successful in doing my frame shot. avoiding all the red balls that are on the table, which is not very easy. Trust me, when you will start doing it, you will struggle, but don't worry about it. That's why we are practicing, that's what the practice is for. This is a cross practice. I know everybody tries to pot frame shot or do 2-3 frame shots, but this is something new that I wanted to show you, I wanted you to practice. So keep practicing, guys, and if you have any question about this break, this routine, do send me some messages. I'll definitely reply when I get free. I always try to reply all my followers and subscribers. And again, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to sort it out for you. And follow me on my Facebook. There are 2 Facebook accounts. Follow me on that. And if you please do share my videos as well. So thank you very much, guys. See you.